Okay, you all, I got something in store for us today. We got some roasted artichoke hearts here. Very, very yummy, from Italy. I have 4.4 ounces of broccolini, 2 ounces of each type of bell pepper here, and some garlic. I'm gonna marinate them in some olive oil, some salt and pepper, and get them ready for my pan. Because today, we are definitely gonna hook up some vegan pasta. You know, some of you all are probably thinking like, you know, vegetables, what's that? Yeah, marinated vegetables. Y'all, I cannot take it. I am so freaking hot. You know how it's everything's cool. Like everything's great. Like it's cool outside, you don't need the AC, and so all of a sudden you start cooking and you're like, ah, I'm hot. It is going down in the kitchen. Oh my God, y'all, look at this pasta that I made. Completely vegan. I mean, what are you missing? You tell me. Tell me what you're missing here. Nothing. Pasta, absolutely fabulous. I hope y'all are getting into it. The recipe will be down below. Here, let me take a little taste test for you all. Yeah, get it in. It's here. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. I try so hard, I can't rise above it. I don't know what it is about this girl's loving, but I like it. I love it. I want some more of it.